Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be this super quick and adorable little card, which is using the Lift Me Up stamp set and coordinating vignettes. So let's move that out of the way and put that to one side. So I'm starting with a standard size C6, C6 size card. And that's just folded in half. And what I've done, because we need to create this little cloud effect in the background, I am using one of our masks that are available, but because I wanted the kind of circular effect, I've got a piece of window sheet and I've cut out a circle, and the window sheet measures the exact same size as our card front, so that's going to sit on there like so. And then I can place this over the top like so, like that, and then we're just going to have that circle bit cut out so you can see exactly what clouds are going to be where, like so. So I'm using the embossing paste that Stampin Up has to offer. I'm just using the bog standard clear stuff, so I've already got one open. And I'm just going to bring in one of my spatula tools, and I'm going just to pick up a little bit. So mine's still really soft, so I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, like so. Place that down where I want it. Feel free to secure this down at any point, that's absolutely fine. I, however, feel confident enough just to go for it. I am, and as you can see, I'm just scraping it over and then smoothing it out, so making sure I have plenty down, and then just taking this, smooth that. So that's happy with that. I think the more you mess sometimes, the worse you're going to make it. So put that to one side. I'm going to cover that up straight away with a lid, and I suggest you do as well. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this off in one piece. And put that somewhere. There we go. So as you can see, you have the super cute circle effect with the clouds. So obviously there is still some empty space here, and you can see that there's nothing kind of here. There's very little here that suggests a cloud, especially when you put all the other detail on the front. So all I've done is I've run through the big shot in some Whisper White and punched out, die cut some of them clouds out, and that's just going to help sit on top. We'll do that slightly later, just so that can dry off a little bit. And I'm going to bring in the hot air balloons. So I've stamped these in Stays On ink onto vellum, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them round like so, and I'm going to bring in some blends. So with the blends, I'm going to pick a colour. So I'm going to start with Spady Spruce, and I'm just going to colour in a section. So I'm doing this on the back just so it's nice and tidy and it doesn't interfere with the Stays On. The reason why I use Stays On rather than the Momentum is because I found you got a darker effect, which I much preferred. So just gonna run that down like so. And that's done with. Then move on to your next colour, and in this case it is the Dark Daffodil Delight. Let's add that down. So I am covering the black as well, because as you can see, sometimes you can't always get a brilliant image stamping onto StazOn. Stamping onto vellum even. StazOn's perfect. But because the vellum is non-porous, it tends to sit there and move, so you want to try to use something so it just doesn't move a lot. So I'm just going to colour this one in all orange, or pumpkin pie, like so. Oh, this is me getting carried away and not concentrating. So colour in your little one while you're there. So as you can see, I'm doing these in the exact same colours, and that's just so there's some coherence with the two. And finally, I'm finishing off with Real Red Lights, which comes out quite pinky on vellum. So I thought it was quite playful just to add this in the end, like so. So they do take a little bit to dry because, as I said, it's non-porous, the vellum. However, you can see it gives it such a wonderful effect, almost like stained glass. There we go. So bringing in the card base again. By now it's already quite tacky, so I know I can carry on with my card. So just taking the balloons like so, pop them wherever you see fit, wherever you feel needs something. So for example, I'm going to put this one here, and probably just use a smaller one at the bottom here, like so. And then you just need to adhere the balloons to your card base. And I'm just going to grab 2 mini dimensionals, and with the StazOn or the hot air balloon, I'm going to put one in that basic black area, or StazOn area, sorry, and that's just going to sit nicely like so. And then with the smaller one, because there's no solid black areas, I'm just going to pop that on the bottom like so, and just tuck that behind this like that. So once that's done, you just need to grab your sentiment, which is from the stamp set, which is I hope your day is on cloud 9. I can't read that through my dirty block. What I need is I need to hire help so they can do all the boring tasks, such as cleaning all my credit blocks. So I'm just stamping this down in Momentum ink, and I'm just going to stamp that at the bottom of the circle like so. And there you have today's card. So that is slightly sticky now. Bend that down. Or there we go. That helps. Might need to add a little bit more adhesive onto that. Let's grab another dimensional. Put that behind there. There we go. It's all fun and games when you're having fun, isn't it? So there you have today's card. Super quick and easy to make, and super effective. So while you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where you can see a full list of the items used and where to purchase them. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and why not share to social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a wonderful card. I'll see you around. Bye.